and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Cecile Fashion, as you know. So if you are new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you're returning subscriber or just watching regular watcher of Cecile Fashion, welcome, because Cecile Fashion is how to and style. So as you can see on the table, we have some beautiful wigs, different style, and we also have this braided wig cap. You'll see why you'll understand why I have this in here, and the crochet, and also the hair, and the other one, the crochet braid, the twist one, the Senegal twist. So at the end of this video, you will get the meaning of these things on the table. So let me talk about the different style of wigs we have here. The one I'm wearing actually is a wig, so I just put it on. I can say is a little bit of box braid. It's not box braid, or it looks like cornrows. It's also not cornrows, as you can see, and scaly. So this one we only have one. Yeah, and you'll see that it's not very hard to make it, even if I can't, but I'll show you how to. Yeah, stay tuned so you can get something from CC Fashion. We also have the Senegal twist. It's not heavy, is very long. I think maybe 24 inch, 24, yeah, almost 24 inches. All right, it's not heavy. It's not, I think it's maybe 400 something grams, 45, not 400 something, 50. So it's, anyway, I'm not exactly the weight, but it's not heavy compared to what you could weigh. So it's just good for the wig to stay on for a day. All right. So this one, as you can see here, we just leave something here. The lace here will match with your concealer. So when you're putting it on, don't forget, with your concealer can just blend and will match with your skin tone. So I didn't do it because I'm gonna sell this one. So that's why I didn't do all those secret ingredients that people could be, wow, who did your hair while it's a wig. So this one is a wig, little bit like a lace, so front lace, tiny bit. Yeah, I don't want to promise you that it's a lace wig, where it's not. It's a little bit lace because we have a tiny one here, the U shape, where you can blend with your concealer and you will slay this just as a queen, and you'll be like, wow, I love your wig, it's just beautiful. I think I'm gonna try this one. Stay tuned so you see how you can put it two ways. So you can wear it this way or just in the middle, as I did for this one. So we have different colors. We have this one little bit like purple and black purple, so it just makes and beautiful, very, very nice. Tiny Senegal twist braid. You're gonna love it. We only have 7 or 8 left, so hurry. It's free shipping. All right. We also have another one. I don't know if you've seen it already. We have another one here. This one is cornrows, and just this one. We need this light off, please. Thank you. Just there. Thank you. Sorry. So this one is cornrows and with a wave on, as you can see. Yeah. Mommy, somewhere. All right. So yeah, this is how it is. It's not heavy. It's very simple and easy to wear. Cornrows and weave on. All right. What else do we have? Oh yes, we have this one. Let me show you. This one is also cornrows, as people say it. Other people call it songa songa. So, yay! This is one is songa songa. Very simple. It's not heavy. This one is for medium head. So, if your head is medium, not a larger one, because head are different sizes of head. So, if your head is medium, I recommend you can buy this one because we don't want you to buy something which will be like small and then say, oh, can I return it back? Of course you can, but I just want to make sure that if your head is medium, it's not big one, it's not large. I don't want to use the word large because you can see the difference on the large head. On the large head, it's not fully, yes, it's not fully covered when the head is large. So it's for medium head. This songa songa, 20 kilioni. As simple as that. You just go to the funeral and you have your simple wig. That's the style. They call it 20 kilioni, I think, in Swahili. That's Tanzanian Swahili. Yeah, we will send pictures. So in the video, I think I'll try to also put some pictures. You can see how they look like because you can just see on the video and see how it looks like on me because I did take some pictures. So stay tuned. So this is what we have. Think how many different colors for the Senegal twist. Nice and simple. It's not heavy. You can see the under one, the inside out it looks like, and this is the outside, the full one. I think is 24 because it's long, not very long, maybe 24 or 18 inches, not really sure, I didn't measure it, but I think I want you to see it, and I want to wear one of it. Which one? My favorite one is the bit paper. That's why I love this one. Let me put it on and you will see it because you've seen it on the mannequin. And the mannequin and people are different. So I want you to see it on me, on myself, so you can decide if it's the right one or not. Yeah. Right. Yes, as you can see it on me, on myself, I did it. I just remove this one and make this one, put this one on. So I want you to see how it looks like on me, because some pictures are not doing good things. Sometimes someone can just copy and paste pictures and they say, I have that product, why they're not similar. So please be watching my videos because I don't want complain. People may complain, but as long as they've watched the video and they've seen themselves what they're getting, that's a good thing. That will be okay. This is how it did look like. Of course, it's not like one fits all. People are different sizes. Their head are very different sizes, so it may be just the right size for me. It may not be the right size for you. Unfortunately, that may be the case, but it's not. It doesn't happen very often. Mostly, the head or the wigs fits almost everyone, because this one had the words, the support. I can call it the support. I don't know how they call it, where you can just adjust to your size. Oh, where the other one? I can find it. So you can just adjust to to your head and it will fit. This will support it when you're dancing, like you're in the party and you're dancing. You need that support so it doesn't get off. So you have to secure your wig with this. I've already messed up my style. I'm just going like this. All right, let me talk about the tiny lace that we left here. This one is, you can see that it's not matching with my skin because I didn't blend it concealer. So you need to blend it with your concealer just to match with your skin color. And then it'd be like, wow, someone did your hair, you just coming from the salon. Wow, how cool is that? So yeah, so as you can see on this one as well, this one here, you will blend it with your concealer which match with your skin. Anyway, I'm not good at makeup. I'm just talking. I can talk about it, but I'm not good at it. So you can do it. I'm sure you can do it. Yeah, just lay this beautiful wig and wow, it's just beautiful. I can't help. I just want to take all of them. Alright, almost the time to show you how you can make your own wig. So it will take time, but don't worry, try and try and try. You will find a way to make something for yourself. Hopefully in few hours you can finish. Maybe not perfect like this one or for the first time. That's okay. You can make your own wig. There's two ways. We have two ways to do it. Yes, you need, the first thing you need is the wig cap. This one here, you need this one. It depends on what you're using. If you're using the crochet, the one already done, you need this one with these lines. And if you want to make something like this, you need to take this one off, so you can get the mesh here. You can see this one here. You can see this lace here. This is what you will need. So maybe in my next video I will show you how to take this off and to make something like this. All right, the easiest way to do it is use the ready-made crochet braid, which won't take you a long time to do it. All right, I don't have much time, but I will start one and I will finish maybe in my next video, so stay tuned so you can see how I will be slaying 1 week maybe next month or this month. I'm not sure, I can't promise. Stay tuned. It may not, it may not be my next video, but I promise I will. Something is missing. Oh my goodness me. What am I doing? I'm sorry. Something is missing. Okay. So, the other one that you need, this one will take long. If you know how to do like Senegal twist, you just need, because this one is a tiny, very, very tiny one. Yeah. All right. Second part, it'll be showing you how to do this one. Yeah. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video, the second part.